Hello, and today I am opening the Scarlet and Violet booster pack. So, I got the Koridon artwork on the inside. Oops. Okay. Open this up. Take the back. So we got a Fighting Energy, Sandile, Houndoom, Fido, Scatterbug, Esperanza, Arven, Cacturn, Palmo, Growlithe, ooh, and a Cooldown Dozo. Okay, this is super cool. I love the little Tatsugiri in its mouth. It's a nice nod to how the game played out. If you want to see me open more Scarlet and Violet packs, please subscribe.